Welcome to the real-time broadcast by Machinemaker. Today we are here at Manas Microsystem. Manas Microsystems is a very proudly Make in India company. They are established by Shrikant Sahasrabudhe in the year of 1998. They are manufacturing lot of critical process instruments which are all indigenously developed, and they are exhibiting now at Boiler India. Boiler India is one of the exclusive exhibition in the world which gives you latest technological advancements in the boiler and steam industry. Let's go and find out what Manas Microsystems, which is Pune-based, are exhibiting in this Boiler India Expo, and we will go and talk to the founder himself to understand what they are exhibiting here. Please come. Hello, sir. Very good afternoon. Please. It is wonderful to always see people who are making in India. First of all, congratulations for founding Manas Microsystems,
Thank you.
which is enabling the Indian manufacturing sector not to import some of the very complicated process instruments.
Yeah,
So, can you just let us know about Manas in a very
sure,
short way?
sure. Manas was founded in 1998 and with the aim only that whatever is not manufactured in India and is imported should be developed in India and manufactured at our factory. So accordingly, we developed indigenously the electromagnetic flow meter. That is the first one. Second was the orifice space steam flow meters and gas flow meters. Of course, orifice is not our own device; it is the old one, old technology. But what we are doing is it's compensation for pressure and temperature, so it delivers more accurate results. And the third one is recently which we have launched is a thermal mass flow meter, which is solely used using Indian technology. No imported technology and no imported items. Everything is indigenous in
But
this.
it is an import substitute.
It is import substitute. Yeah,
That is absolutely wonderful.
yeah,
And apart from that, you have other products also exclusively for the boiler industry.
yeah. We have other products like this draft indicator is there. Mainly for boiler industries, we sell the steam flow meters and the draft indicators. These are the two main items for boiler industry. Third one is our electromagnetic flow meter also. Electromagnetic flow meter is required for your boiler feed water application measurement. So there we have already supplied to few of the customers. Yeah.
So, how is Indian boiler industry is growing? We know that Mumbai itself, Maharashtra itself, is one of the biggest market for boiler in Asia. So, how the boiler industry is growing, and how Manas is playing a role there?
Yeah, boiler industry is growing very nicely and positively, and we are promoting our product being indigenous product to majority of the boiler manufacturers, especially the draft indicators, which are very convenient to use because they are giving the digital reading, having a better accuracy. Secondly, you can program the gauge for any range you want. So that is the most advantageous thing over the mechanical gauges. Up to this time, people were using mechanical gauges, and where you have to get this gauge set for that range from the manufacturer. Now the user can set the gauge for his own application depending on his range.
This
So
draft indicators, what you are telling, that I think that this is something which you are talking about digitalization,
right,
and which makes life easy. And you told that you can use this just calibrate just in a computer, right?
right,
Anyone
right,
can do
right,
it. The
right,
kind of
right,
technological this thing.
right.
So when you are able to innovate this product,
Actually, we received some inquiries for draft gauges. Those days, the mechanical draft gauges were available, and mechanical draft gauges we were not manufacturing. So we thought, why not to go with digital draft gauge in that case? Why to offer mechanicals? So we first offered the draft gauge on digital basis. Once we got the order, then we started developing, and we developed successfully in a very short period of time. Yeah.
now you are successfully selling
Yes,
it
yes,
worldwide.
yes, yes.
So Manas is having market in India as well as out of India.
Yeah.
So can you just tell me about your market and market reach?
Sure. Our outside products mainly they are going are electromagnetic flow meters, and we are selling in several countries like South Korea, Middle East countries, some South African countries, and Australia, New Zealand, also Sri Lanka. We have supplied few things.
So
So
one more proud moment for Manas this year is that you are completing 25 years
yeah,
of your
we have
establishment,
entered the 25th year. That is the silver jubilee year. We have entered,
and
and
you have a great team.
we have really a great team. I appreciate all my people who are working with me because many of them are working for more than last 10 to 15 years, and some are right from the foundation, and they work as if it is their own company, and that I am very proud of all these my people.
So you have exhibited couple of products here. Like we are talking about steam
Steam
flow
flow
meter. Can
meter.
if you can just come and let us know more about this product?
Yeah, the steam flow meter. Steam flow meter is based on the differential pressure principle. It uses an orifice plate, and you can see the orifice plate here. Orifice plate and flanges. This also there is a spool connected to the orifice flange. This entire assembly is IBR approved, IBR approved assembly, and then you will find the isolation valves. Then inside the panel, you will find the condensing pots, then the DP transmitter and the computing unit, all those needs. Actually, so far, it is not that people are not making the steam flow meters on this principle. They are making. But what we have done, we have compacted all these components together. Otherwise, earlier people used to buy the components separately and install at site, and which was very difficult to install at site. Now people have to install only the spool in their pipeline, steam pipeline, and second is the panel wherever they want to see the display.
So it can be separately kept both.
Yeah, it is separately kept, and only the two impulse lines are running from the main assembly to the panel, and one cable which is delivering the temperature signal to the panel.
And you see all those products. Like I can see this controller, whatever you are
Yeah,
giving. So it's a Manas made
Manas
indigenous
make
product.
indigenous
So
product.
all those products, whichever we are seeing here, it's all manufactured in India, right?
They are all manufactured in India except the DP transmitter.
Okay, that is
DP
important.
transmitter is imported because nobody has so far developed in India that product. So that is important.
We wish you also indigenously
Yeah,
develop this at.
yeah.
So I see that when you have gone for the draft gauge,
Yeah,
a mechanical draft gauge, it is your, that thought
yeah.
which made you to innovate, which is
Right,
completely appreciable.
right.
So how a manufacturer will get benefited by going to the steam flow meter of Manas?
Yeah, that is mainly because it has got many advantages over vortex flow meters. People nowadays are tending to use vortex flow meters, but they don't know the disadvantages of vortex flow meters. This is having many advantages over vortex flow meters. Secondly, there was one drawback earlier with these orifice-based meters. That was its rangeability was less. Means 100% to 30% of flow rate they were accurate. Below 30% they were not accurate. But now we have devised some electronics which is incorporated in this computing unit or controller, and which gives us the flow rate accuracy right from 10% to 100%, and that too of the order of about 1 to 1.5%. Otherwise, the accuracy is usually 2%, 2.5%, but we have achieved the accuracies levels of 1 to 1.5%.
And the market potential for this product is not just India, right? It can go across
Yeah, it can go. We have sold also in Malaysia. Also, we have sold few.
this particular product.
Yeah.
So you were talking about a very, special product what you have, a very proud product what you have.
Yeah.
I believe that is the thermal mass flow meter.
Yeah.
So
This is the thermal mass flow meter. This is the thermal mass flow meter, which is so far not manufactured in India with indigenous technology.
No one is
No
manufacturing.
one is manufacturing.
But it is imported now.
It is imported, and some people are there who are manufacturing, but with the collaboration from outside some German companies.
But this is your
So
completely
this is
indigenous.
completely indigenous, and in our factory only we have developed this. And not only that, we have a very modern flow calibration laboratory for this meter, based on clean and dry air, and it is really a clean and dry air, because the air which is utilized for the calibration purpose is having the pressure dew point below minus 40 degrees Celsius. So it contains almost zero humidity, no
So
humidity.
you are telling that any thermal mass flow meter which is there in
Yeah.
the country
Yeah,
can be brought to your calibration center and get it calibrated?
yeah, very much. We
So
can calibrate.
that is also a great opportunity for many people who are there already having the products, who don't have the ability, because you there is no one
Yeah,
else, right?
yeah,
So
yeah.
very limited. That is also an opportunity people can get in touch with Manas and see that this product whoever is having can get calibrated by there. So where this product is actually used and what are the major applications for this?
Okay. The product is having actually lot of applications. Now we have recently supplied to Tata Motors for the CNG measurement. CNG measurement of finding out their engine efficiency. So we have supplied a few of the meters on their bed also. The engine testing bed, we have supplied these meters.
So that is about one automotive.
Yeah.
That is good.
Secondly, we have supplied this to furnace manufacturers who are manufacturing the furnaces based on the LPG fuel. So for LPG also this works well. The third thing is compressed air. Compressed air, it works well for any compressed air. It is mainly applicable for automobile industry. Then some chemical industries they use a compressor, air compressors, and textile industry they also use the air in quite a lot of quantity. Wide range of applications are there. Also, we have supplied these meters for oxygen measurement, especially during the COVID period, where the oxygen generator manufacturers they bought the meters from us for measurement of the oxygen produced on their plants,
So
and they are supplied widely to many hospitals also.
absolutely wonderful. See, we are seeing that lot of people who are visiting the stall of Manas Microsystems. Sir, we are from Machine Maker. We are going right now live in our real-time broadcast. So, what's your name? If you can just introduce yourself.
I'm Ajay Burande from Varda near Nagpur.
What is the company you are doing, and what kind of activity you do?
Our company is making grey fabrics.
So, what's the name of the company?
PV Textile Private Limited, Jam,
From Varda.
Varda,
So, you Nagpur.
Nagpur, Varda.
So you came to Manas Microsystems. You were looking at some of the products. That also the electromagnetic flow meter, the thermal mass flow meter. Everything is manufactured in India. How you feel about you are seeing a lot of multinational companies also here. You see an Indian company manufacturing these all products. What do you feel about it?
Great job, because all this thing is not available with us. We are using Hope Marshall's products and Corne Marshall, but it same type but available in India and Indian make.
That's wonderful. So you have gone through all these products.
Yes, all product is good, sir.
So I wish you all the best, and let's see that you start using Manas products.
Yes, in future we are use.
Thank you for your time. All the very best.
Thank you.
So we are having couple of other people from Manas who are here. We are having with us Mayuri, and we are also having Mr. Nitin Kirloskar. Sir,
Hi.
we have seen that many products, which is actually import substitute here, and many visitors are getting interested in your product. So can you tell me that what is the USP of Manas, if you can say?
If you want to capture the USP in maybe just one sentence, uh, Manas is a very trustworthy indigenous company which believes in technology, and they believe in Atmanirbhar India. That's the uh, That's what the government is also looking for. In fact, we have got a lot of visitors and some from the government companies, and they were quite impressed with the kind of technology that Manas is using. And people like people from BARC or people from NPCIL, they were quite keen to see these as import substitutes. So
And we have also seen that government is also supporting the Make in India
yeah,
products, as well as there are a lot of interest among visitors who are
right.
telling about, yes, multinational products are available, but when you are seeing that there is an Indian product available, they are also ready to look
Yes,
at that. But only
yes,
one thing is the quality and the aesthetics of the product should be
true.
excellent, and I should appreciate
Yeah,
that the way your products eventually, be it the steam flow meter or the electronic magnetic flow meter, every each of these product have a very good the aesthetics as such. I'm not a technology person,
right,
but
right.
the kind of feedback what we are able to see from the visitors also highly appreciable.
Very true, very true. In fact, some of the good things that I would like to appreciate about this exhibition also. Uh, I mean, we are getting very good quality of customers. We don't have people, just visiting for the sake of it. People who are really keen to know about the products, buy the products. And another interesting thing about Boiler India is we see all the actually exhibitors are our customers. So that is another
Additional advantage.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
All the boiler manufacturers
True,
are
true,
there,
true.
elite products are there. So I'm very happy that Machine Maker were able to come and talk to you people. Mayuri, very nice stall. So how you are able to make it?
Yeah, I'm able to make it with the team Manas also. The main source about the Nitin sir and the Shrikant sir. They're very responsive for that. I'm very happy at the Boiler India.
We always talk about women coming and working in the manufacturing industry. Wherever we are getting an opportunity, we tell and we encourage women to come and work here. And you, as an individual women, have done this wonderful thing. So we first of all we would like to congratulate you
Yeah, thank you.
on
Thank you very
happening
much.
this. We also talked to Srikant sir, and he was telling that the strength or the success of Manas is all those people behind. So you all, uh, have done a great job, and we wish you all the very best for the next 2 days at Boiler
Yes,
India.
yes. Thank you very much.
Thanks
Yes,
for having Machine Maker here.
yes,
Thank you
thank
very
you.
much. All the best.
Yes.